Welcome to EasyTerritory. Let's look at some of the keyboard shortcuts you can use in EasyTerritory to quickly accomplish different tasks. If you've watched our layout and toolbar overview video, you're familiar with the different panels and icons in the application. This will be helpful to know ahead of time because this video will cover some things already established in the layout overview. First, we'll look at the undo and redo operations. These can be accomplished using the CTRL Z and SHIFT Z keyboard shortcuts respectively. CTRL Z to undo the previous operation, and SHIFT Z to redo the previous operation. Next is CTRL Click, which will add a record to the data grid at the bottom of the screen. If you need to select a specific record or a group of records, or in this case a zip code, you can hold down the Control key and click to select the feature. Similarly, you can hold down the Control and Shift keys and click a feature you have selected to deselect it. If I selected a group of zip codes and clicked this one by mistake, I can use Control and Shift and click to deselect it. Once I have the data grid populated with my selected records, I can hold down the Control key and use the up and down arrows to reorder these records. If I'm working with partitions in the markup panel, and I want to shift some records between partitions, I can select the partition I want to work with, hold down the Control key, and click to select the record. It will be added to the partition. Now if I want to remove a record, again, select the partition first, then hold down the Control and Shift keys, and click to remove the record from the selected partition. To view the components that a specific territory covers, I can hold down the Control key and click a territory listed in the markup panel. This will return the list of components that was used to build the territory, as long as the territory was built using the markup builder. Finally, I can quickly zoom to a specified area by holding down the Control key while I click and drag a rectangle. The map will zoom to this area when I release the mouse button. I can also use the alternate key while I click and drag a radius instead, and the map will zoom to this area when I release the mouse button. For more information about EasyTerritory, check out our video index and help docs page at EasyTerritory.com.